Hi, I'm OBD2, the voice of your car. Let's talk about what diagnostic codes really mean, and how to read them like a pro. If your check engine light comes on, it means your vehicle's control unit detected a fault. But what's next? What does the code actually tell you? That's where the OBD2 system comes in. Every issue gets its own code, for example, P0171. Let's break down each part of the code so you can start diagnosing with confidence. Dash. Letter P in square emoji, the first letter shows the system where the problem occurred. P, powertrain, engine and transmission, most common B, body, like door locks or window motors. C, chassis, ABS, suspension, steering. U, network/communication, control module communication errors. 90% of the time, you'll see P codes, because they relate to engine performance, fuel, air, and emissions. Dash. Numbers emoji, the second character is a number. 0, generic code, used across all car brands. 1, manufacturer specific code, unique to a brand like Ford or Toyota. So if your code is something like P0, it's a universal code. It'll mean the same thing whether you're driving a Honda or a BMW. Dash. Bar chart emoji, the third digit points to a subsystem. 1, fuel and air metering. 2, fuel injection sensors. 3, ignition or misfire. 4, emission controls. 5, idle control and auxiliary systems. 6, ECU and computer systems, and more. For example, P0171 means system 2 lean, related to fuel and air delivery. Dash. Special symbols emoji, the last 2 digits define the specific issue. P0300, random/multiple misfires. P0420, catalyst efficiency below threshold. P0171, fuel system 2 lean, bank 1. These numbers just label the specific error within the category. Dash. Bullseye emoji, so what should you do when you see a code? 1. Don't panic. A code is a clue, not a sentence. 2. Write it down exactly. 1 digit can change everything. 3. Start checking the related systems. If it's fuel related, look for vacuum leaks or test fuel pressure. If it's catalyst related, check your oxygen sensors. If it's misfires, inspect spark plugs, coils, or injectors. Dash. White check mark emoji, final thoughts. An OBD2 code isn't just a random string. It's like an address that points to the problem. Once you understand the structure, you'll start thinking like a mechanic, even before plugging in a scanner. And in the next videos, we'll break down individual codes, one by one, from the easiest to the trickiest. OBD codes speak. I translate. Main title.